Who lives on the farm? Can you tell me who? There's a fluffy sheep that says ba ba too. The cow goes moo, standing in the hay, munching on her breakfast every single day. Who lives on the farm? Let's go and see. So many friends there, waiting for you and me. Cluck, cluck, moo, moo, oink and neigh. Who lives on the farm? Let's go and play. The little piggy rolls in mud so pink. The horse says neigh and trots to get a drink. Rooster on the